Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in my today's class, I'm going to discuss two important aspects of administrative law, that is the scope of administrative law and the reasons for growth of administrative law. Why to waste time? Let's get into first slide. The scope of administrative law is quite large and I have tried to cover them under 9 different points. First being, the administrative law study covers the nature of structure, powers and functions of all administrative organs, and secondly, they are also covering the procedures used by administrative organs. The third important point is whenever there is remedies required for citizens of the state, it is studied under administrative laws under the name of writs. Now, if there is any requirement to control the administrative organs, it will be done by legislature and the judiciary, which is also part of the study of administrative law. Along with that, we are studying the delegated legislation concept under administrative law. Now, the administrative law also covers the study of corporations, tribunals, etc. Along with that, we are studying the rule of law, principles of natural justice under the administrative law study, and we study the government liability for torts and contract liabilities under administrative law. This is not an exhaustive list, but this is a list which covers major scopes of administrative law. With that, I am moving on. The next question is, why are they growing so fast, or what is the reasons behind the growth of administrative law? The first reason is the welfare state concept. Because people want all kind of welfare from their government, it becomes essential for every government to have administrative law in place so that they have the local knowledge and they can implement all the things very quickly. So that is why the administrative laws have gained a lot of power. Secondly, the inadequacy of legislature, because it cannot invest all its time for these activities, so it becomes inadequate. So the compensation from someone should be available. So this is done by administrative law. Third one, inefficiency of judiciary. How it is inefficient? Because it is slow, it is very costly, and it is formal, so which consumes money as well as time, and it is complex also. Not everyone can apply mind, so that becomes very difficult for every citizen. With administrative law, the kind of quasi judiciary or tribunals, the judiciary or justice is becoming little easy, so that is why they have grown. Fourth one, with the urbanization and high scope for experiment, the administrative laws gained a lot of importance. And to meet emergency situations, especially with the local knowledge and other stuff, whenever there is a requirement, administrative laws can pitch in quickly. So with the local knowledge, that is one point. Another point is to meet the emergency situation. Both ways the administrative laws are helpful. And then the administrative law will have a lot of employees who will have technical knowledge and skills to implement whatever projects that they are coming in. So that's why they are gaining a lot of importance. For example, if there is a project going in a scientific manner, there will be scientists who are available to take care of all those activities. They will be the authorities under administrative law and they can take care of those requirements. That way it becomes very efficient. And there are precautionary measures which can be taken care by the administrative law, because they are locally aware that what's happening. Then the effective enforcement mechanism is available with administration. So these are the few important reasons which turn to be the reasons for the growth of administrative law. With that, I'm concluding this particular video. All the very best for your exams, and thank you so much for watching me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos.